Hello and welcome to Phonics with Emily episode 3. Today we will look at sounds that we make in the English language that make ed, n and et. Lots of smiling today. Air, ed, n, et. Let's look at our first sound. Ed. E for elephant and D for dog. Ed. Ed. Let's look at words that make the sound ed. Bread, bed, lead, bed, Ned, wed, Ted. Repeat with me. Red, bed, lead, bed, Ned, wed, Ted. Let's look at more words that make the ed sound. Bed, wed, head, Ted, red. This is a big bed. Repeat with me. This is a big bed. Ted is on the bed. Ted is on the bed. Thank you for joining me on another episode of Phonics with Quest. For more information, please find us on Facebook at Quest Language or Quest Speak. Thank you. Goodbye.